Hibernate second level cache in Hibernate. Now we are here. You can see Hibernate second level cache. Hibernate second level cache is one of the data caches component available in the Hibernate Object Relational Mapping ORM library. Hibernate is a popular ORM library for Java language, and it lets you store your Java object data in a relational management system RDBMS. Since Java objects do not naturally align with the tables, rows, columns of an RDBMS, a phenomenon known as impedance mismatch, Hibernate acts as a translation layer. With Hibernate, you can easily and quickly access relational data by providing mapping mechanisms from relational database tables, rows, columns, and foreign keys to your annotated Java classes. Hibernate generates SQL queries with an easy-to-use syntax to query data based on Java object-oriented domain model. The second level cache is enabled by plugging the third-party caching technology to expand built-in caching capabilities in Hibernate. It is used to overcome the limitations of first level cache described now. Caching is one of the strength of Hibernate framework. It is available in multiple levels. First level caching is the first place that Hibernate checks for cached data. It is built in and active by default to reduce a number of SQL queries directly to the database. If the requested query results are not in the first level cache, then queries run against the underlying database, that is, if there is no second level cache enabled. This cache only works at session level, meaning each session object caches data independently, so there is no sharing of cache data across sessions, and the cache data is deleted when session closes. This makes the cache only useful for repeated queries in the same session. For repeated queries across multiple sessions, that's where the second level cache comes into play. With Hibernate second level cache, you can plug in caching technology to component the first level cache to complement the first level cache. If the requested query results are not in the first level cache, then the second level cache is checked. The second level cache shares cache data across sessions, so all sessions users can benefit from the cache data, even for data that was inserted by another session. And even if the session that inserted the data into the second level cache closes. Why is the second level cache important for Hibernate? The second level cache improves the application performance with regards to persistence for all sessions created with session factory. Within second level cache, a request for an object can be served by the cache even if the request is executed from multiple sessions with much lower latency than it is if the request went through the database. Considering the ROM queries can be complex and therefore relatively slow, a system can greatly benefit from second level cache to reduce the repetition of the same complex or slow queries to the underlying database. Specifically useful for high volume web applications that have high commonly across users in terms of SQL queries to the database. And with high scalable caches, you can cache more data and realize more performance acceleration. What can be used as a Hibernate second level cache? Any technology that supports out-of-box integration with Hibernate can be plugged in to act as a second level cache. In-memory data grids are commonly used as Hibernate second level cache. For example, Hazelcast IMDG has built-in integration with Hibernate to easily plug in for second level caching. With its distributed architecture, you can add more nodes to the cluster to grow cache as much as you want to handle heavier workload. Here a client is connected to session. Session factory and first level cache are inside Hibernate. Session is connected to first level cache, and first level cache is connected to database. Session is connected to session factory. Session factory is connected to second level cache. Second level cache is inside cache provider. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.